Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to enable Assistive Touch on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, you have just to go to Settings and after that, scroll down a little bit until you find Accessibility. And after that, go and find Touch. And the first option in Touch is Assistive Touch. Click on it. And as you can see here, you will have the option to activate the Assistive Touch. And to activate it, you have just to click on Assistive Touch. And like that, you will activate the Assistive Touch on your iPhone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you.